Little short video. Picked up this I think it's an Athol Vise mini one. It's got some problems. It's missing the little collar to hold this thing in, which, yeah, not sure how the hell that is supposed to work, but so if that's missing, there's clearly a washer in there missing. And what else? Let me take it apart. I didn't take it apart at the place. Plus, it's got some brazing on here done. I'm guessing at one point it was cracked, but you know what? It was a cute little vise. It wasn't a $200 vise, and clearly somebody liked it and repaired it. So I'm not gonna do a resto on it. I'm just gonna probably just fix this. But I'll take it apart and show you. It's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm doing another frickin' Vice video. Andrew Vice Clay. I'm guessing there's I don't know. Let's come out of here. There's this nuts in there. I got my shirt caught now. Great. Can't get the damn thing out. Come on. Come on. The bolt out. Of course, it's like 500 frickin' things here. That, and that. It's in pretty decent shape. I don't think the bottom is welded. This doesn't look like it goes up anymore. Or down, or whatever. And I'm guessing the screw on the bottom is what? Yeah, of course, any bigger shape. But the back is in pretty good shape. The swivel base is, I guess, what cracked on it. But somebody brazed it. Did a pretty good job. Because it cracked off here and there. It says patent September 1912. I like these old letters. See? It looks pretty cool. Here's the brazing job. It's is it an Athol? Yeah, it's an Athol Vise. AMCO Athol, Massachusetts, USA. It doesn't have. It has a little bit of abrasion on it, but the jaw is nice and flat. I mean, look at it. The jaw is in good shape. I think I paid like $30 for this thing. It's pretty cool. It's in nice shape. Slides in good. I mean, I could drop it in the vapor rust and maybe paint it pink. You know, who knows? But I'm guessing that little thing, the collar holds it in there, and how the hell that works, I don't remember. But if I remember correctly, there's supposed to be some kind of screw in here to hold it in place, I think. I don't know, I think it might have been welded. Yeah, it was welded back together. There you go. Somebody did a decent job putting this back together. They must have put a new bolt. And yeah. So yeah, might be maybe this broke off at one time. I'll drill the hole and put a cotter pin in there to hold this in there. I bet you they never finished drilling the hole in. So anyway, that's one little thing. Brand new little Mini Athol Vise. Now I'm a Vise collector, but you know what? It's not a giant one. I can do like everyone else and put a little shelf on everywhere and put like every little vise I find in it. So that's one thing. I'll keep that right there. So it's anyway. If you like the video, click like, subscribe, all that. You know the drill. Click notifications. Send me free money. Join my non-existent Patreon, and what else? Make some T-shirts and put my name on it too. Enjoy.